Long ago, in a distant corner of the solar system, a giant blue danced with the stars. This giant, known as Neptune, was a celestial wonder that defied human understanding. With each orbit around the Sun, Neptune revealed a spectacle of colors and mysteries that captivated the imagination of all who observed it. Subscribe to our website to help spread the word about astronomy. Neptune was a world of extremes. With an atmosphere composed mainly of hydrogen and helium, its surface was a whirlwind of storms, with winds blowing at over 2,000 kilometers per hour. Neptune's clouds were a sight to behold, with deep blue hues and dark spots that seemed to dance in the sky. But Neptune's true splendor lay beneath its surface. The planet was surrounded by a ring of ice and dust, which shone like a diamond necklace in space. And at its core, an ocean of water and ammonia bubbled, creating a source of heat that kept the planet in motion. Neptune was a world of mysteries and wonders, a place where imagination could roam freely. And as scientists continued to explore and unravel the secrets of the planet, Neptune continued to dance with the stars, a symbol of the infinite beauty and complexity of the universe. Neptune, the eighth planet in the solar system, is a gas giant known for its intense blue color, violent winds, and turbulent atmosphere. Discovered in 1846 by German astronomer Johann Galle, Neptune is the furthest planet from the Sun and, until 2006, was considered the last planet in the solar system. Since then, Pluto has been reclassified as a dwarf planet, making Neptune the last planet in the solar system. Neptune is a fascinating and mysterious planet, with many secrets yet to be revealed. Its atmosphere is primarily composed of hydrogen, helium, and methane, which give the planet its characteristic blue color. The average temperature on Neptune is about -200 degrees Celsius, making it one of the coldest places in the solar system. One of the most striking features of Neptune is its turbulent atmosphere. The planet has winds that blow at over 2,000 kilometers per hour, creating violent storms that can last for years. One such storm is the Great Dark Spot, a huge storm that formed in 1989 and is still active today. In addition to its turbulent atmosphere, Neptune also has a very strong magnetic field. This magnetic field is about 27 times stronger than Earth's magnetic field and is responsible for protecting the planet from solar winds and cosmic rays. Neptune also has a ring system, although it is not as impressive as Saturn's rings. Neptune's rings are primarily composed of dust and ice and were discovered in 1984 by the Voyager 2 spacecraft. In addition to its rings, Neptune also has 14 known moons. The largest of these moons is Triton, which is so large that it is almost a dwarf planet in itself. Triton is an icy moon with a thin atmosphere of nitrogen and methane. The Voyager 2 spacecraft flew by Triton in 1989 and took incredible pictures of the moon, revealing a desolate and mysterious landscape. Another interesting moon of Neptune is Nereid, which was discovered in 1949 by astronomer Gerard Kuiper. Nereid is an irregular moon and has a very eccentric orbit, which means that it does not orbit Neptune in a perfect circle. Instead, its orbit is highly elongated and takes Nereid closer to and farther from Neptune along its orbit. Neptune is a fascinating and mysterious planet, with many secrets yet to be revealed. Its turbulent atmosphere, violent winds, and strong magnetic field make it one of the most extreme places in the solar system. And with its intriguing moons and mysterious rings, Neptune continues to intrigue and fascinate scientists and astronomers studying the solar system. Neptune, the mysterious blue giant of the solar system, is a planet that continues to intrigue and fascinate scientists and space enthusiasts alike. While many features of Neptune are well known, there are some lesser-known curiosities about this distant planet that may surprise even the most seasoned astronomers. The Great Dark Spot, Neptune's Great Dark Spot, a giant storm similar to Jupiter's Great Red Spot, is one of the planet's most striking features. However, what few know is that the Great Dark Spot seemed to temporarily disappear in 1994, only to reappear later. This led scientists to speculate about the dynamic and changing nature of storms on Neptune. Neptune's rings, while Saturn's rings are famous for their beauty and complexity, Neptune's rings are less well known. However, they have their own unique characteristics. For example, Neptune's rings are primarily composed of dust and ice, but also contain fragments of rock and metal. Additionally, Neptune's rings are very thin, with an average width of only 100 meters. The moon Triton, Neptune's largest moon, is one of the most intriguing moons in the solar system. It is one of the few known moons that orbits its planet in the opposite direction to the planet's rotation, suggesting that Triton may have been captured by Neptune from a Kuiper belt object. Additionally, Triton is one of the coldest moons in the solar system, with temperatures that can reach -235 degrees Celsius. The moon Nereid, Nereid, one of Neptune's moons, has a very eccentric and irregular orbit, which means that it does not orbit the planet in a perfect circle. Instead, its orbit is highly elongated and takes Nereid closer to and farther from Neptune along its orbit. This makes Nereid one of Neptune's most interesting moons. Neptune's atmosphere. Neptune's atmosphere is primarily composed of hydrogen, helium, and methane, which give the planet its characteristic blue color. However, Neptune's atmosphere also contains a number of other gases, including water, ammonia, and hydrogen sulfide. Additionally, Neptune's atmosphere is very turbulent, with winds blowing at over 2,000 kilometers per hour. Neptune's magnetic field. Neptune's magnetic field is about 27 times stronger than Earth's magnetic field, making it one of the strongest magnetic fields in the solar system. Additionally, Neptune's magnetic field is inclined at an angle of 47 degrees to its rotation axis, which is very different from Earth's magnetic field, which is inclined at an angle of only 11 degrees. The Voyager 2 probe. The Voyager 2 probe was the first and only probe to visit Neptune. It passed by Neptune in 1989 and took incredible pictures of the planet, revealing a desolate and mysterious landscape. Additionally, Voyager 2 also discovered several new moons of Neptune, including Despina, Galatea, Larissa, and Proteus. In summary, Neptune is a fascinating and mysterious planet, full of secrets and curiosities that continue to intrigue and fascinate scientists and space enthusiasts. With its turbulent atmosphere, violent winds, strong magnetic field, and intriguing moons, Neptune is one of the most interesting and extreme places in the solar system. The discovery of Neptune. Neptune was the first planet to be discovered through mathematical predictions rather than direct observation. The French mathematician Urbain Le Verrier and the British astronomer John Couch-Adams independently calculated the position of a hypothetical planet that could explain the perturbations in the orbit of Uranus. Johann Galle, a German astronomer, used these predictions to find Neptune in 1846. The rotation of Neptune. Neptune has a very short day, with a rotation period of about 16 hours and 6 minutes. This rapid rotation causes the planet to be slightly flattened at the poles and bulging at the equator. The seasons of Neptune. Like Earth, Neptune experiences seasons due to its axial tilt. However, because Neptune's axial tilt is much larger than Earth's, about 29.6 degrees compared to Earth's 23.5 degrees, its seasons are much more extreme. Each season on Neptune lasts for about 40 years, with a total of 4 seasons in a Neptunian year, which is about 165 Earth years. The rings of Neptune. Neptune has 5 main rings, named Galle, Le Verrier, Lassell, Arago, and Adams. These rings are much fainter and narrower than Saturn's rings, and they are made up of small particles of dust and ice. The moons of Neptune. Neptune has 14 known moons, with the largest being Triton. Triton is unique among the large moons of the solar system because it orbits Neptune in a retrograde direction, meaning it orbits in the opposite direction to Neptune's rotation. This suggests that Triton may have been captured by Neptune from the Kuiper belt. The magnetic field of Neptune. Neptune has a very strong magnetic field, which is about 27 times stronger than Earth's magnetic field. This magnetic field is tilted at an angle of about 47 degrees to Neptune's rotation axis, which is much larger than Earth's magnetic field tilt of about 11 degrees. The composition of Neptune. Neptune is primarily composed of hydrogen and helium, with a small amount of methane. The methane in Neptune's atmosphere absorbs red light, which gives the planet its characteristic blue color. The temperature of Neptune. Neptune is one of the coldest planets in the solar system, with temperatures that can drop as low as -218 degrees Celsius, -360 degrees Fahrenheit. These frigid temperatures are due to Neptune's distance from the Sun and its thick atmosphere, which traps heat.